it's Flex. Welcome to What's for Dinner with Cole. They said this would be easier. What is happening? Oh, there we go, there we go. Today, a professional cook, sometimes, I'm gonna show you how to make zucchini spaghetti meatballs. 5 ingredients, 30 minutes, start to finish. Let's begin. 5 ingredients, beef and pork meatballs, zucchinis. Not much to say there. Cherry tomatoes, parmesan, tomato pesto. First, we need to oil our pan. I feel like if it was 1840, I'd be using some kind of cloth, but this feels right. Let's turn this on. It is 6 meatballs per serving. However, we can save these. We can eat these over the course of a couple of days. We can share them. So you grab a spoon, you scoop like it's sorbet. Use your pointer, place. At this point, you've already washed your hand, so it's not a big deal. I need to move quicker. I need to move quicker. Some would say that's how professionals would do it. So these need 12 minutes or until they're cooked through. So just wait. You could stare at a wall, you could do a 10-minute meditation, or listen to All Too Well by Taylor Swift. So it's been 12-ish minutes, and as you can tell, they look perfect. And now we transfer the meatballs from this into this. I'm gonna use the same pan, and we are going to cook these cherry tomatoes. They're gonna go straight into the pan as is. I'm gonna wait till these cook or collapse. Collapse, 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 collapse. Speak words of encouragement into your cherry tomatoes. We're gonna separate them into ones we're smushing and ones we're keeping whole. We use the back of the spoon and we smush, like so. Oh, don't run away from me. Come back. It's like a game. Not smush, smush. We'll come back to you. It is zucchini time. If you don't have this nifty tool, you can cut them into little matchsticks, or you can use a spiralizer. Please watch your nails and then watch your skin. It's nothing like cooking to make you feel alive. Okay, see this? That's what we want to avoid when it gets to the seedy bit, because then look what we get. Not cute bits. And you might be thinking, well, if we're not gonna use everything in the zucchini, then what do we do with it? Great question. You can use it for compost. You can put it in a soup. You can eat it. I feel like my food tech teacher in high school is watching somewhere, and she's proud. Okay, we're done. Hey, nice. Good job, team. So we're gonna get some boiling water. We just wanna cover all our little bits of zucchini. So we need to cook it, and it needs to soften and get like warm and cozy, because it is spaghetti. So we leave that for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to drain it. So now it's time to assemble. How fun! So we're gonna take our zucchini that have been drained beautifully, just chuck it in. Take your beautiful meatballs that you've seared to perfection, just chuck them in. Now it's time to chuck in your pesto and put it all in, because the magic happens in the assembly. As is, I say it looks pretty edible, but it's about to get better. If I was serving, I'd do the really shady thing and I'd put meat underneath the zucchini. So you think I only had 2 or 3, but I really had 9. Don't tell anyone. Take 4 to 5 seconds to admire your handiwork. Then you want to salt and pepper to taste. Again, go with your gut. Could be too much. You won't know until you try. I feel like we've been a bit stingy with the parmesan. We could do triple, but for now, uh-oh. Someone get the slow-mo of that. Wow. I'm sorry, the parmesan wasn't stingy. I think it's the perfect amount. I take it back. One more for theatrics. But how do I eat it without a fork? Thank you, fork. Okay, taste test. Wow. 1 second. It's quite good. It's quite good! When I told you 5 ingredients, less than 30 minutes, I think that you thought I was lying. I was not. So that's it. Zucchini, spaghetti, meatball. Zucchini, meatball, spaghetti. I'm signing off so I can eat another one. Woo! Well done. Yay!